Welcome to InvestoSphere, your go-to destination for financial wisdom that'll help you break free from the chains of bad money habits. I'm financial advisor, and today we're diving into a topic that could completely change your financial future. 10 financial mistakes that keep you broke. Let's face it, personal finance is tricky. We all make mistakes, and that's okay. But some financial mistakes can seriously set us back. If you're finding it hard to make ends meet, or you're struggling to save, there's a good chance you're making at least one, if not all, of these mistakes. By the end of this video, you'll not only recognize these mistakes, but also know exactly how to fix them to improve your financial situation. Before we start, let me know in the comments, what's the biggest financial mistake you've made in the past? Let's learn from each other and get better together. Mistake number 1, not budgeting your money. If you don't budget, you're essentially sailing your financial ship without a map. Many people avoid budgeting because it seems complicated or boring, but the truth is, not budgeting is one of the biggest mistakes you can make. A budget is like a financial GPS. It helps you see where your money is going, and more importantly, it helps you control where it goes. Without a budget, you have no clear plan, and it's easy to end up overspending or missing out on saving. How to fix it? Start simple. Track your expenses for a month. Set realistic categories for your spending: groceries, bills, entertainment, savings. Adjust as needed each month. Do you currently follow a budget? If so, what method do you use and how's it working for you? Mistake number 2, living beyond your means. This is a classic mistake, spending more than you earn. It's easy to get caught up in the temptation of buying things on credit or using loans to fund a lifestyle you can't afford. Over time, this leads to debt, stress, and eventually financial ruin. How to fix it? Evaluate your lifestyle. Can you downsize or live more frugally? If you're using credit cards excessively, stop. Pay them off aggressively and avoid getting into new debt. Have you ever found yourself buying things you couldn't afford? How did you handle it? Mistake number 3, not saving for emergencies. Life throws curveballs. Whether it's a medical emergency, car repair, or unexpected job loss, things happen that can drain your bank account if you're not prepared. Failing to set up an emergency fund is a big mistake, and it can make small financial setbacks turn into major crises. How to fix it? Start small. Aim to save at least $1,000 for emergencies. Gradually increase it to cover 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Do you have an emergency fund? How did you start saving for it? Mistake number 4, ignoring retirement savings. Retirement may feel like it's far away, but the earlier you start saving, the better. Waiting until you're in your 40s or 50s to start contributing to retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA could be a huge financial mistake that costs you thousands in potential returns. How to fix it? Start contributing to a retirement account as early as possible. Take advantage of employer matching contributions if available. Consider automatic contributions to make it easier to save consistently. Do you have a retirement plan in place? If not, what's stopping you from starting? Mistake number 5, not building multiple streams of income. Depending on a single income source is risky. In today's world, many people are turning to side hustles, investments, or freelance work to build additional income streams. Failing to diversify your income means you're putting all your eggs in one basket. How to fix it? Explore side hustles like freelancing, tutoring, or driving for rideshare apps. Consider passive income opportunities like investing in stocks or real estate. Do you have multiple income streams? If not, what side hustle interests you the most? Mistake number 6, not investing your money. If you're not investing, you're missing out on the opportunity to grow your wealth. Sticking to a savings account alone won't help you build wealth over time. Investing in stocks, bonds, or real estate can provide substantial returns and help you reach your financial goals faster. How to fix it? Start by researching low-cost investment options, such as index funds or ETFs. Consider speaking with a financial advisor to develop an investment strategy that fits your goals. Do you currently invest your money? If not, what's holding you back? Mistake number 7, racking up credit card debt. Credit card debt is one of the most expensive forms of debt, thanks to its high interest rates. Many people make the mistake of paying only the minimum amount due, which keeps them in debt for years. Over time, credit card debt can balloon and make it difficult to achieve financial freedom. How to fix it? Pay off your credit cards as quickly as possible, starting with the highest interest rate cards. Avoid using credit cards for non-essential purchases. How much credit card debt do you have, and what's your strategy for paying it off? Mistake number 8, not tracking your expenses. Many people simply don't know where their money is going. If you're not tracking your expenses, you're probably overspending without realizing it. Not having a clear picture of your spending habits makes it nearly impossible to save or achieve any financial goals. How to fix it? Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to track every expense. Review your spending monthly and look for areas to cut back. How do you track your spending? Do you find it easy or challenging? Mistake number 9, making emotional decisions with money. Emotions play a huge role in our financial decisions. Impulse buying, investing based on fear or greed, and making money decisions to keep up with others can all lead to financial disaster. How to fix it? Take a step back and evaluate purchases or investments logically. Consult a financial advisor before making large decisions. Have you ever made an emotional financial decision? How did it turn out? Mistake number 10, not setting financial goals. Without clear financial goals, you're likely to drift aimlessly in your financial journey. Goals give you something to work towards, and they help you stay motivated. Whether it's saving for a home, paying off debt, or building an investment portfolio, setting goals is essential to financial success. How to fix it? Set short-term, medium-term, and long-term financial goals. Break down larger goals into actionable steps and review your progress regularly. What are your top financial goals for the next year? Share them in the comments. Wow, if you've made it this far, you're serious about changing your financial future. Now, it's time to put everything you've learned into action. Remember, you're in control of your finances, and every decision you make today will shape your financial tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to InvestoSphere for more insightful content. Like this video to support the channel. Comment below with your thoughts. Which financial mistake have you made, and how are you fixing it? Don't forget to share this video with anyone who could benefit from these tips. Let's all improve our financial futures together. Until next time, take control, break free from these financial mistakes, and build the life you deserve.